Hello, welcome back to day 3 of Power Tour, and welcome to The Rock at Rockingham Speedway. Coming in here, crazy view with all the cars and the track just coming down off the banking and through the entryway. Super cool way to enter the track for this crazy event. Walked up here up on the banking, got a whole big look around of the whole park, and man, so many cars packed in this infield. It was super cool. Hopping into some of the cooler cars we saw, this huge gasser was pretty dope. And then we found the stock car area. Super cool. As a NASCAR guy, loved seeing all the crazy cool cars. This Richard Petty tribute looking car here with a signed dashboard. Pretty sick if you ask me. Doesn't get much cooler than that. Got a few other ones coming this way. Rusty Wallace one right here, looking all fancy and everything like that. Michelob Ultra car, pretty sick, you know. A bunch of these cars were, you know, the pretty iconic cars that everybody's seen, and you know, if you are into NASCAR at all, you've seen some of these cars before. It was also really cool seeing this truck from like the 90s truck series races over here. You know, kind of cool because you really don't see too many of the trucks outside of looking at main NASCAR if you're paying attention to the truck series sort of thing. And then a holy grail right here being a Superbird. You know, you never see the Superbirds or the Dodge Daytonas. And super cool one right here. Not actually a stock car. It was actually just more of a replica daily driver looking type of build, because as you see, if we go to the interior here, it's got a full leather normal Charger interior in there rather than a crazy, you know, race interior like all these other cars. Another cool Charger here. You don't see the Chargers too often when it's these newer models. So it was cool to see something with that nose on it and actually get to see that nose in person, because I haven't seen it before. More and more just awesome cars. A Busch Series car right here. It's crazy comparing these roll cages and everything to like the one in my race car being, you know, a little one. Some more really cool cars, you know, Hardy's sponsor, Cale Yarborough one. Everybody likes Cale Yarborough if you know his name. It's a funny name to say, you know. Really cool car though, and a really cool Bojangles car right next to it that we're about to take a closer look at. Gotta love the Bojangles liveries. I think they're some of the coolest ones you can see. After checking out all the cars, we hopped over to the autocross section, did a little lap. Here's my run here, getting it pretty nice and tight through here. This is my first run as well, so I wasn't exactly sure how to take the track, but I thought it was pretty solid for the first run and first look at the track. We stuck around the autocross area a little bit longer to see this plane go. This thing is called the Spirit of Le Mans. We saw it a few times along the trip. We saw it heading down the highway, it was probably one of the coolest things there, just because you haven't seen anything like it before. Not once in your life have you seen anything like this driving on 4 wheels. Seeing it do this autocross was hilarious compared to like the Cobra that went right before it, zooming through it, and this big old plane looking thing right after. Rounding out the video here, we got this little mail truck Tonka build. And thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.